All right, guys, some time ago I had a capital magnetic lock, and I can't remember the number, but I'll put it down in the description. I ended up trying to attack it with fixed magnets. And a lot of you have been saying, well, you didn't try the Lamello. And that's because I didn't have the Lamello tool at that time. I bought it since then. And so a lot of you are betting pretty big that the Lamello will beat this lock. Let me make sure it's the right one. This is actually on loan from Dustin. Dustin was very curious, and this is probably the key. So if you guys recall, get that off of there, slide that dude on there, and we get an open. Now inside of here, and I'll overlay it on the video. Let me close this guy up. Inside of here are 6 wheels with 2 magnets each, so a total of 12 magnets that have to line up in order for that shackle to move up and down. So very, very complex lock. I tried a series of very powerful magnets and no luck at all. I honestly don't believe that the Lamello will work either, simply because of the complexity of the lock, but I thought we'd learn this together and try to make a video. I want you guys to know kind of what I go through. I don't just try it once and walk away. I try it several different attacks. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll probably high speed some of this stuff if it doesn't seem to be working. All right, let's call it a day. With so many variables on this, with 12 magnets and 12 different possible orientations on 6 wheels inside of here, we're trying to magnetically bump the lock. But I think with that many variables, it's probably just not very likely you're going to be able to beat it using a Lamello, despite the very powerful magnetic and fast-moving magnetic field. It's just not going to align everything correctly on all 6 of those gates. Anyway, guys, we gave it a try. Dustin, I appreciate you loaning me this lock. I will cut it open just to make sure everything's in place, and then send it back to you. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal.